Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU CAT Special Test 2025. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, this is new advertisement of Special Centralized Admission Test 2025. So best wishes and best luck. अगर आप KMUCAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें। शुक्रिया। D fructose is an example of dash. Option A, aldohexose. B, ketohexose. C, aldotetrose. And option D, ketopentose. So the correct option is B, ketohexose. Explanation is D fructose is a ketohexose, meaning it is a 6 carbon sugar with ketone functional group. So this is very important MCQs. What is the smallest unit of an element that retain its chemical properties? Option A, molecule. B, atom. C, electron. And option D, proton. So the correct option is B, atom. Explanation is an atom is the smallest particle of an element that cannot be divided chemically while retaining its property. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Which gas is called laughing gas? Option A, oxygen. B, carbon dioxide. Option C, nitrous oxide. And option D, hydrogen. So the correct option is C, nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide induces euphoria. Basically, it is used as anesthetic. What is the state of matter with definite volume but no fixed shape? Option A, solid. B, liquid. C, gas. And option D, plasma. So the correct option is B, liquid. Liquids take the shape of their container but maintain a constant volume. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. What type of macromolecule carries out catalysis in biological systems? Option A, protein called an enzyme. B, carbohydrates called starch. Option C, lipids called steroids. And option D, a nucleic acid called DNA. So the correct option is A, proteins called an enzyme. Explanation is enzymes, which are proteins, act as biological catalyst to speed up chemical reactions in living system. Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? Option A, proton. B, neutron. C, electron. And option D, nucleus. So the correct option is C, electron. Electrons orbit the nucleus and carry a negative charge, balancing the positive charge of proton. So this is very important MCQs. Both glycoside and peptide linkages result from dehydration synthesis. Option A, true. B. False. So the correct option is A. True. Both glycosidic bonds and polysaccharides and peptide bonds and proteins are formed through dehydration synthesis reaction, where water is released is a byproduct. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। What is the chemical symbol for iron? So the correct option is B. Fe. Fe comes from the Latin word, which means ferrum. So this is last MCQs. Glycogen, starch and cellulose are polymers of glucose. Option A, true. B, false. So the correct option is A, true. Explanation is glycogen, starch and cellulose are polysaccharides composed of glucose unit. They differ in their glycosidic bond, structures and functions. Thank you for watching my videos.